Hi folks, Success Challenge 17 here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you just found yourself here, thank you very much. Before I delve into this short video, I'll encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell so that when I upload subsequent videos, you get notified on how to make money online. Now, is Paidera legit? Is it paying? Okay, in this short video, we're going to see. Paidera, as you can see, you get paid to do multiple tasks. You make money by doing simple tasks, completing surveys, and taking quizzes and much more. You can join today, and you can make extra income from home without a previous experience and knowledge. Your opinion is worth money. Instead of spending your time on social media sites, wasting your credit and data, invest it here and you earn more for yourself. The link is right in the description of the video. You can go click on it and come and sign up and claim your rewards. Okay, having said so, let me just dive into my account. Well, what I'll tell you that yes, Paidera is legit and it is paying, of course. I don't want to bore you much, but what happens is, if you just come, you simply can take some surveys and you get paid. These surveys are very, very cheap and easy. Don't be confused when you see others requesting some referrals. Every day, every now and then, multiple tasks are coming. You can conduct a number of them. You don't need referrals. You can earn good side income for yourself. Okay? It's cool. It's cool. As you can also do their quizzes and still earn something for yourself. They have got paid quizzes. They have got external surveys. They have got external surveys and their quizzes as well. Okay? So these are the paid quizzes that are there. You can come also and do and then make some side income for yourself. And there's also a Telegram channel where you can join and then know what is going on. Okay. So let's just see. Let me go back to my dashboard and we see the proofs. Okay, let's just look at some proofs. Let's look at some proofs. Proofs. This will tell you that the system really is working and people are being paid. Okay, people like you get paid. This is $30. Can you imagine if you get paid by $30 for no money spent? Will it not help you pay the utility bills? These are what earnings. These are payments. Real-time payment. Okay? Real-time payments. Real-time payments into your PayPal accounts. And very soon, you'll be introducing Pioneer cards where you can claim your cards and when you are paid, the money will be deposited into your card. These are all earnings. So what I will tell you is that Paidera is real, is paying, people are making money from it, and you don't have to be left out. Don't spend your data useless. Invest your time here with money to make money with it. That is it. So check the link in the description and come join today and start earning for yourself. It's very easy. It's high rewarding. It's worth the time. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Leave any comments and I'll attend to you. Thank you.